What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the latest leaks and rumors around what might be Google's most refined foldable yet, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold. It's sleek, it's smart, it's foldable, and it could give Samsung Z Fold a real reason to worry this year. Curious? Let's break it down. First up, the display setup. We're looking at an 8-inch foldable OLED on the inside and a 6.3-inch cover screen on the outside. Both are expected to push 120 Hz refresh rates, which means buttery, smooth scrolling, better gaming, and overall a way more premium feel. No major design changes from the Pixel Fold 9, but the leaks show refinements. Thinner bezels, cleaner hinge mechanics, and that classic Pixel camera bar sticking around. Under the hood, Google's stepping it up with the new Tensor G5 chip. This is their 5th-gen in-house silicon, and it's rumored to bring better thermals, faster AI performance, and tighter integration with Android 15. We're also seeing a spec bump to 16 gigabytes of RAM and options for 256 or 512 gigabytes of UFS storage. That's flagship territory. And yeah, about time. Camera-wise, it's shaping up like this. 48-megapixel main sensor, 10.8 megapixel ultra-wide, 10.8 megapixel telephoto. No crazy gimmicks, just solid optics paired with Google's killer computational photography. Expect sharp detail, amazing low light, and that signature pixel color science. Battery, around 4,650 milliamp hours with fast charging support, though the exact wattage isn't confirmed yet. It's shipping with Android 15, which means we're getting foldable optimized UI, multitasking upgrades, and even tighter assistant integration. Basically, this foldable will feel like it's actually built for the format. Now for the price. Rumors say it'll land below last year's $1,799 Pixel Fold, which could be a game changer. If Google nails the performance and keeps the price competitive, this could be the foldable to beat in 2025. So, what do you think? Would you cop the Pixel 10 Pro Fold over the Galaxy Z Fold or OnePlus Open? Or are you still waiting for Apple to jump in? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our full review when this thing drops. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.